Hi, Dr. Yazdan. It's absolutely brilliant to have a brief chat with you. Just to, I suppose, commend you for yet again being one of the top 25 hair transplant surgeons in the world on the recent Ape to Gentleman article that I obviously wrote, but I've done the 2021 edition, which has just come
Right.
out. And, I included you on the article originally based on the fact that I've known you quite some time, but more importantly, dealt with and corresponded with a vast number of your patients. And I know the way that you have, you conduct your surgery, the way that you conduct yourself with your patients, and the way that you fundamentally educate your patients, for me, was a massive component and why I felt so confident and comfortable including you in the top 25 hair transplant surgeons in the world article yet again. And, I just wanted to say well done and,
Thank you.
thank you for everything that you do and more importantly for educating the patients in the way that you do.
Sure. I mean, I really appreciate the opportunity to be a part of this whole organization, this whole article. I like you said, this is the third year that I've been featured in it, and it's a big deal. I've worked really hard for many years to offer patients really good care, really good hair transplants. I've dedicated myself and my life to hair loss and this field of medicine. And it's nice to see the fruits of, my labor paying off at this point. The article's been really great. It's been a really great educational piece for patients. I feel like a lot of patients actually come across it and see it, and it really helps them guide or navigate kind of the murky waters of, how to find a reputable, honest, well-respected hair restoration surgeon so that, they end up with a good outcome.
Well, that was the purpose of the piece. That is essentially the main objective of the article. Despite the number of doctors that are on it, and unfortunately I was limited to only providing, the top
Sure.
25, but
Sure.
fundamentally it is an educational piece to protect the patient and educate them so that they can do their due diligence. And there are fantastic resources within the article alongside
Absolutely.
fantastic surgeons like yourself. But it's fantastic that your patients, benefit from it. I know for a fact that you've had countless patients that have referred to the article that have been to see
Yeah.
you, as have other surgeons as well. So it's proving to be an incredibly credible resource for many people. And, I just wanted to commend you for being on it yet again. And if you could just keep up the great work and, keep educating the patients like you do, it's going to be a safer environment for all.
Right. Yeah. And again, once again, really appreciate the opportunity to have been part of this. Like I mentioned, I think it's great that you're doing this. I think you've brought a lot of awareness to the consumer, and you've helped patients make the right decision with how to get this procedure done and where to go to get this procedure done. And hats off to you. It's been a really great journey, and I've kind of watched this follow along the last couple of years, and it's like I said, it's been really nice to be a part of it, and I'm happy I've been good enough to make the list once again.
Oh, well, no doubt, buddy. Well, listen, thank you very much for your time, Dr. Yazdan, and hopefully, we'll catch up soon, but keep up the great work. And
Absolutely.
yeah, thanks for everything. Happy New
All
Year.
right, thanks, Bex. Happy New Year. Take care.